Welcome back to Tom's Life. Today's Sunday special is creamy Tuscan chicken. So the ingredients you need are 3 chicken breasts, 1 onion, garlic, cherry tomatoes, low fat cream cheese, dry oregano, dry coriander, ground black pepper, ground salt, 1 chicken stock cube, 1 chicken stock, and you'll need wholemeal pasta twirls to serve it with. So first step, we're going to prep all our ingredients. We're going to start off with the raw meat. So first step, you want to prep your chicken. So you just want to lay it out straight, and then you just want to finely slice it into pieces. Always remember to move your fingers out the way. You want medium pieces, just like that. Then you place them back in your bowl. And you'll keep doing your chicken. So next step, we're going to prep our garlic. You will get a garlic bulb and you want to take 2 pieces off. You first want to chop the ends off. And you want to peel out the skin off your garlic, just like that. Now you want to place your knife on top of your garlic and press down. You first want to finely slice it. Always remember to move your fingers out the way, and you just want to finely dice it into little pieces. And once you've got nice little pieces like that, you're going to get a small mixing bowl and you're going to place it all in. So next step, we're going to prep our onion. You first want to chop your end off. I like to flatten it so it's more easy to chop. Then you want to chop your ends off. You want to peel 2 layers of the skin. And then you're going to finally dice it. So you want to get your onion, you want to first slice it, not all the way down. Then you turn it around and you want to finally dice it into little pieces. And if they haven't chopped all the way through, just go through the knife again. Don't want them to be too big or too small, you just want medium pieces. So that's what they should look like after when you've finally chopped them into small medium pieces. Now you're going to place your onion with your garlic and you'll do the rest of your onion. So next step, you want to get some hot water and put it in a measuring jug. Now you want to open your chicken stock cube. You want to place it in and you want to start stirring that so it starts to evaporate. Take a minute or 2. So you're just giving it a good stir. So next step, we're going to switch on a hob and you want to set it to high. You want to get a pan and just place it on the ring. Let that heat up for a minute or 2. before you start frying your onion and garlic. So what you're going to do first, you're going to place your onion and garlic in your frying pan. You want to get it all out. You want to give them a little toss so they get some colour on them, so they go nice and brown, and you'll be able to smell the flavour. Will take a few minutes. So you just want to keep moving them about so they get some colour on them, and then they go nice and soft. This will be our base to make our creamy Tuscan chicken. Now you want to start adding your chicken. Just want to break them up for a minute or two, and then what we will do, we'll add in our stock cube, the herbs and seasoning. Then we will put the lid on, and it'll be like making a pot dish, make a one pot dish where you're just cooking everything together. You just want to break the chicken up first, so when you add in the stock, it gets everywhere. And like I say, don't worry if your onions and garlic are sticking to the pan. You're going to add in the stock in a minute. And then you want this to cook for 10 minutes, so your chicken goes nice and soft, and you cook all the stock. Now you want to add in your stock. You carefully want to give that a bit of a stir. And don't worry if your chicken's not cooked yet, because what we're going to do is we're going to put the lid on and let this cook for 10 minutes. So your chicken cooks all the way through and goes nice and soft, and you're cooking all the stock out. Before you do that, you add in your herbs and salt and pepper. You want to add in a pinch of dry oregano. And a pinch of dry coriander. And you want to give that a little bit of stir in, so we can give flavour to our chicken. Get it all the way round. Next step, you want to add a little bit of ground salt. And also a bit of ground black pepper. And then you want to give that a little bit of a stir. So today I'm making creamy Tuscan chicken, but if you don't want to make this recipe, I have already made a creamy mustard chicken. This is a healthy version, so it's up to you, and you can see my creamy mustard chicken on my YouTube channel. So next step, you want to add in a good half of cherry tomatoes. And you also add in your chicken stock pot. You add in your chicken stock. You want to give that all a good stir. It will start to melt. So you just want to stir it all round. And then you'll place your lid on the top to let all the chicken and evaporate the sauce for 10 minutes. And then at the end you add in some cream cheese just to thicken it. Just want to get all the way around the pan. And also when you put the lid on, your cherry tomatoes will start to soften because the steam will hit them. Now you're going to place the lid on top of your pan. Let that just cook for 10 minutes while your chicken cooks all the way through. Your sauce starts to evaporate a little bit and your cherry tomatoes go nice and soft. As you can see, I have put my wholemeal pasta in a pan with some hot water. You're going to switch on the back ring to high. This will take about 5 to 8 minutes to cook. And then once that's cooked, we will drain it and then we'll place it in with our creamy Tuscan chicken and add in a teaspoon of cream cheese. So you're just waiting for your pasta to cook now. So next step, once your pasta is cooked, you're going to place it in with your sauce and chicken. And you want to get a spoonful of cream cheese. Tap it in. And then you want to proper stir it all in. It's up to you how much cream cheese you want to put in. But don't forget it's low fat. Cream cheese. So you just want to stir it in so it starts to melt. This will be for your creamy Tuscan chicken. So what I've done, I added another spoonful of cream cheese. You add another teaspoon if you need to start to thicken it. So it'll be nice and creamy. I use about half a pack of low fat cream cheese. So it'll be nice and thick. A nice thick sauce for your creamy Tuscan chicken. Okay, this is how you make my creamy Tuscan chicken, and I hope you enjoy making this. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe, and thank you. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming soon.